they've gone. They've gone through the clouds. But yeah, I noticed the jet stream. That's what made me think, oh my god, it's the red arrows. It's always like red, white and blue, isn't it? Yeah, you've missed the red arrows. They're in the cloud. There they are. Yeah. So distinctive, isn't it? Oh god, I don't know if I've captured that, but... yeah, there they are. Saw the red arrows in Plymouth one year actually, when I was still married, and I got this absolutely iconic photo that I took where it's basically got the side of my ex-husband's head, his ear basically, and there's a flagpole and you can actually see the jet stream, and the red arrows are right directly behind the flagpole. Where have they gone? In the clouds.
Yeah, I've seen them at Cowsweek a couple of times, and they're so impressive.
Oh, someone's opening. Oh, right. Oh. See, this is how, like with the Eastbourne Airshow, it was obviously from an airport, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Which was on the coast, but it was inland. It was in North Lancing. Yeah, even though it's called, well, it's Brighton City these days. But what they do with the Eastbourne Airshow is all overseas. They don't come in, well, they actually, they did that one, and I can't remember the Fast and Speed of Sound one. No.
They're just incredible. It's the kind of thing I saw as a kid on Red Arrow.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
We used to see, we saw them practice over the South Downs when I was a kid.
I've got some nice photos, I'm sure you have.
Oh, I have. I always do videos. You can. Gosh.
It's brilliant. It's good we've got the heat for this time, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, that's the
nice
highlight.
photos. It's exciting, isn't it? In between employment law and all the shit of our employers and life, you know, there's some good things.
Yeah. And a bottle of rosé for us at the end of the day.
A bottle of
Doesn't have to be Matthias.
non-Matthias. God, I'm cold. Matthias and Julie. I'm not, it's like such an old-fashioned one, isn't it?
Yeah. I read like historical sagas.
I like it when they do
Oh,
that.
yeah. Yeah, the red, white, blue.
Classic.
Yeah. I captured that, I don't know. I think so. Oh, okay.
Some petering outfits.
Yeah, you get Matthias mentioned in old sagas anyway. Yeah, it's like, oh, it's like treating himself to a Matthias rosé. And I'm like, yeah, I know the feeling. There's a red, white, blue over there.
No, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Imagine that even though they probably have done this so many times, every time if they get
It's
a minute,
amazing.
oh, it's amazing.
Absolutely
Yeah.
incredible.
Just be a
Just how they
Well, yeah,
turn,
exactly. The Eastbourne Airshow does off, so that just says it all really. You've got to be absolutely precision all the time.
I like to think that your typical Red Arrow pilot is probably a bit more competent than
Yes,
that bloke.
Let's hope he. Well, if he did, I can imagine
That
it.
bloke
Maybe
that
he
just
did
fucked up
apply.
on YouTube,
Yeah, if he did apply, but he got rejected. But he actually had been. Well, oh wow!
Wow, that looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, very skilled. I wouldn't do that. I don't think they'd allow me to do that though. Do you know that they're doing the same things they did. They've always done the same things, but it's always absolutely spectacular, isn't it?
That's amazing. Wow.
I think we were quite impressed with the red arrows when we were kids. But we did see them a lot over the South Downs practicing, so...
I regret taking that attitude now.
What's this?
I was never that fussed about them. It's
Yeah.
amazing, but, you know, like rock and
I think it's more the thought of it's like, oh, red arrows, oh, big deal. But when we saw it, it's like, wow. I don't think I'll ever pilot a plane. I can't see that happening.
Every time I watch Top Gun, I think I wish I was a fighter.
I've never seen Top Gun. I say
Top
tomorrow I
Gun!
might do
They're
the
showing in their
open
open
air
air theatre! Oh my god, you've got to
I
come!
did the double bill. I did the Top Gun
Oh, wow.
original and new
It's a good one.
Yeah.
I've never seen Top Gun.
I have it in my youth.
They're showing it
Melanie, it's a good one.
Oh, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
I tried to do it with you and then realised
That's an excellent
Yeah.
one.
Oh, they're coming back.
5 million pounds.
Well, I'm just doing one long video. So all these conversations, don't say anything incriminating. Oh, they got there. They must have different buttons to what colour Jetstream. It's like, oh, I'll put a bit of red in it. But, you know, obviously it's choreographed, isn't it? So, yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm just going to focus watching it.
They look red.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Do you know you can miss things, can't you? If you concentrate on your camera.
I've got enough actually. I've got some nice ones.
Yeah.
I haven't got any nice ones, so you can.
Mine will
Yeah.
send it to you, don't worry. They're coming round to meet each other.
Yeah, all over Eastbourne, because you get people in that area, don't you, on the seafront, just watching. But this is the best spot, I think. Oh wow! Oh, they do come inland then. Where do they live?
I don't know.
I mean, the planes, not.
I thought they
It
were
might be. Ah, do you know? I think yes. That makes sense. See what I'm doing? Oh, good one.
Do you think?
Yeah, no, exactly. It's like, oh well, you seem okay. I'm sure you'll be fine. They wouldn't be able to do the loop straight away though, and stuff. The thing is, you know, they're probably starting on the planes anyway, if you think about it. And the same style of plane as these, but just that they have to progress up to being a red arrow.
Yeah.
So,
And I suppose in a way when you.
they must run out of fuel eventually.
Hopefully they're looking at their fuel rates.
It's like you just imagine like the alarms. It's like, oh damn! And it's actually. I would think it's possibly the responsibility of the pilot to make sure it's full.
Well,
Even if they do have engineers to make sure they're full, it's also their responsibility to make sure they're full. Because obviously it's their life, isn't it? If you think about it, and our lives.
do you think that's what we heard earlier on the notes? You know, when we were, we couldn't see it in the cloud.
I think-
Oh, that was the faster than speed of sound one, wasn't it? What they called typhoons or
I thought the
Tornadoes,
I thought
typhoons.
The tornadoes had taken over from the typhoons, and then
I
you've
don't
got,
know.
you've
I
got
don't-
these other ones,
don't know
these
the,
other ones
military
that
state
have
hierarchy.
them as well.
Yeah. They look quite silver actually, the ones today, didn't they? Well, it looked quite silver, but it had the same principle where it's just like, where is it? It's so loud, but you just knew it's that sort of noise that you didn't know which direction it was in.